Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best illuminating moisturizer is probably one of the most sought-after skincare products right now, promising a radiant glow and hydrated skin all in one. If you're looking to achieve that coveted dewy complexion, this type of product aims to provide a subtle luminosity while deeply nourishing your skin, making it a versatile addition to any beauty routine for a healthy, lit-from-within appearance. Number 5. Glow Recipe Watermelon Niacinamide Dew Drops. Experience the ultimate hydration with our revolutionary serum. It's formulated to give you a radiant, dewy complexion. Infused with hyaluronic acid and niacinamide, this serum deeply moisturizes your skin. Get ready for a plump and glowing look. This lightweight formula works wonders as both a hydrating serum and a primer. It preps your skin for makeup application, ensuring a smooth finish. Need a quick boost of radiance? Use it as a liquid highlighter to instantly brighten your features and achieve that coveted dewy glow. Harnessing the power of Korean skincare, this product brings you the best in hydration and glow. It's a must-have for achieving luminous skin. The star ingredient, niacinamide, works to refine pores and improve skin texture. Enjoy clearer, smoother, and more radiant skin with every use. What we like? Achieve a radiant, dewy glow with this multitasking serum. It hydrates and primes your skin, acting as a liquid highlighter for an instant luminous finish. If you're looking for a product that combines skincare benefits with makeup-enhancing properties for a fresh, dewy look, this is the one for you. What people say. This moisturizer has a subtle shimmer that gives your skin a healthy glow without looking glittery. It absorbs quickly and doesn't leave a greasy residue, making it perfect for use under makeup. The formula is lightweight and hydrating, leaving the skin feeling soft and smooth all day long. Number 4. Farmacy Honey Halo Hydrating Moisturizer. Discover the ultimate hydration with our new facial moisturizer. It's designed to deeply nourish your skin, leaving it feeling soft and supple. Infused with the goodness of buckwheat honey and ceramides, this formula works to restore your skin's natural barrier. Experience a healthier-looking complexion. Say goodbye to dry, uncomfortable skin. This rich cream effectively replenishes lost moisture, providing lasting relief and comfort. Achieve a plumper, more radiant appearance. It helps to smooth fine lines and improve skin's elasticity for a youthful glow. Specially formulated for those with dry skin, it delivers intense hydration without feeling heavy. Enjoy a comfortable and revitalized feel all day long. Make it a part of your daily skincare routine. This moisturizer is your go-to for achieving beautifully hydrated and healthy skin. What we like? Experience intense hydration and barrier restoration with this rich formula. It's designed to replenish dryness and plump the skin, making it ideal for those with very dry or compromised skin. If your skin feels tight, flaky, or in need of deep nourishment, this moisturizer will provide the comfort and relief you need. What people say. This moisturizer has a subtle shimmer that gives your skin a healthy glow. It feels lightweight and absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue. The formula contains hyaluronic acid and vitamin C, which help to brighten and hydrate the skin. Number 3. Pacifica Sunny Glow Liquid Face Bronzer Drops. Achieve a beautiful, sun-kissed radiance instantly. These drops blend seamlessly for a natural glow. Perfect for both your face and cheeks, it adds warmth and dimension. Get that healthy, lit-from-within look effortlessly. Enriched with vitamin C and glycolic acid, it nourishes your skin while enhancing your complexion. Experience a brighter, smoother appearance. This illuminating formula highlights your best features. It catches the light beautifully, creating a subtle shimmer. Enjoy a clean beauty experience with this carefully crafted product. It's designed to be gentle yet effective for your skin. These easy-to-use liquid drops make bronzing simple. Just a few drops deliver a customizable, buildable color. What we like? Get an instant sun-kissed glow with these versatile bronzing drops. Infused with vitamin C and glycolic acid, they add warmth and radiance to your complexion. If you want to achieve a natural-looking tan or add a healthy warmth to your face and cheeks without the sun, these are perfect for you. What people say. It gives my skin a soft, natural-looking glow without looking glittery or overdone. The formula blends easily and feels lightweight, perfect for a quick, fresh look. My skin feels extremely moisturized, and I love the hint of sun-kissed glow. Has a nice, light scent as well. These liquid face bronzer drops deliver a nice, buildable color payoff and are very easy to blend. A little goes a long way, and the formula mixes smoothly into foundation or moisturizer without streaking. Number 2. No 7 Lift and Luminate Triple Action Day Cream SPF 30. Discover the No 7 Lift and Luminate Triple Action Day Cream. This powerful formula is designed to visibly firm your skin, revealing a healthier-looking radiance. Experience advanced anti-aging benefits with our unique blend of hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. It works to rejuvenate your complexion for a smoother appearance. Protect your skin every day with built-in SPF 30. This cream shields your skin from harmful UV rays while providing essential hydration. Even if you have sensitive skin, you can enjoy its benefits. It's formulated to be gentle yet effective, providing nourishment without irritation. See a noticeable difference as it visibly firms your skin. Achieve a lifted look and feel, restoring your skin's youthful vitality. Achieve a naturally healthy-looking radiance with consistent use. It enhances your skin's natural glow, making it look revitalized and bright. What we like. This day cream visibly firms and lifts the skin while providing essential anti-aging benefits. With SPF 30, it offers daily protection against sun damage, promoting a healthy, radiant appearance. If you're concerned about fine lines, wrinkles, and loss of firmness, and want a daily moisturizer that also protects your skin, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Very moisturizing, and it has an SPF which my dermatologist said to always use. The product is nice. It is very thick, goes on smooth and absorbs quickly. This moisturizer leaves my skin soft and bright. Number 1. Pacifica Glow Baby Brightening Facial Serum. Discover the secret to radiant skin. Our potent serum is designed to brighten your complexion and reveal a natural, healthy glow. Experience the power of key ingredients. This formula combines vitamin C and glycolic acid to gently exfoliate and illuminate your skin. Say goodbye to dark spots and uneven skin tone. This serum works to visibly correct imperfections, leaving your skin looking smoother and more even. Feel good about what you put on your skin. Our product is proudly vegan and cruelty-free, aligning with your values. Rest assured, it's been tested by experts. This formula has been dermatologist tested, ensuring it's gentle and effective for your skin. Get ready for a brighter, more luminous complexion. With consistent use, you'll see a noticeable improvement in your skin's overall radiance. What we like. Boost your skin's radiance and tackle dark spots with this powerful vitamin C serum. Its formula is designed to brighten the complexion and promote a more even skin tone. If you're looking to achieve a brighter, more luminous complexion and fade the appearance of dark spots, this serum is ideal for you. What people say. This serum fits the bill perfectly. Using this serum in my bedtime routine is so easy, and my skin is not oily by morning. For most of my life I never had dry areas on my skin, but in the last few years my cheeks have dried out, and this serum fights the dryness very effectively. It is lightweight, not greasy, and easily absorbs into the skin. It is not irritating and the fragrance is very lovely and light. Within a week I started noticing visible results, and in another week I had phenomenal results. Not even a whisper of dark skin or dark spots. Highly effective. A little goes a long way. It's easy to apply and the smell dissipates. My skin looks smoother, tighter and more radiant. Plenty of moisture on my skin is left even in the Arizona dry air. Absorbs quickly and I don't hardly know I have it on under my makeup. Our pores appear smaller, any fine lines smoothed, combo skin balanced, redness significantly if not completely absent. It has a light scent that we enjoy but doesn't linger or irritate and also plays well under makeup. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.